Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I am sharing my January 2021 design team package with you guys. And I normally post these on the 1st, but of course, you know, the mail being the way it is, I didn't get this until yesterday, and I have a little confession to make. So yesterday, my husband went out to, he was outside, and then he came back inside. He goes, "You got a package?" I'm like, "I did." I was so confused. I said, "How weird." I said, I guess the mail is trying to catch up. I don't know. I was totally confused. And then this morning I wake up and I, go brush my teeth and whatnot, and then go into the kitchen to make my coffee like I do every day. And then I saw someone in my living room. I'm supposed to be by myself, mind you. Just my daughter and I. My daughter was still in bed. And I see someone in the living room, and I turned quicker than nothing to see who it was. Ladies, it was my husband. I said, "What are you doing here?" He said, "I live here." And I said, "Yeah, but what are you doing here?" He said, "Okay, I live here." And I'm like, "But shouldn't you be at work?" He said, "No, I don't work on Sundays." I said, "Sunday? Today's not Sunday." And he said, "Yes, it is. It's Sunday." Ladies, I thought it was Monday today. Oh my gosh. I was totally shocked that it was Sunday. That's why I thought that the mail was delivering my package on a Sunday. That's why I was totally confused. But yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. I've reflected on that the entire day, and it is Sunday today, guys. It is Sunday. Anyway, let me show you my package that came in yesterday, Saturday. Today, Sunday. I had to get me I have a Tim Holtz ruler, but I have to keep carrying it from one area to another because my paper trimmer is off in another area. And sometimes I'm trying to measure something. I have to come back to the table, get my ruler, go back, then I forget it over there. I gotta go back over there and bring it over here. So it's just, let's eliminate that. And guys, this is the best ruler ever. I know a lot of you have this ruler, and I know some of you don't. So what's really cool about the ruler is that these lines, even going across, those are measurements. So let me take another ruler and show you that if you put the tip of this ruler over here, that measures 1/2 inch. This measures 1/2 inch, and this measures 1/2 inch. So even if your paper is down here, you're still able to measure it by 1/2 inch. Okay, so I love this ruler. I don't think I'll ever use a different ruler. I just don't think so. But anyway, I got me my ruler, and then of course I got my trusty pen, which I love these pens. And then they started carrying something new in the store, and I don't know if they're going to carry this from now on, but this is what they have right now. These are mold redesigned with Prima. Okay, so these are so pretty. They are 5 by 8. And let me pull this one out for you just so you can see the entire mold. They're so pretty. I can imagine, I don't know what kind of materials you can use with these. I know I have used the air dry clay. Oh, you can use resin, molding material. So yeah, I guess you can use several types of mediums to get your molds. But aren't these beautiful? Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And then this one is the Regal trimmings. So this one has quite a few different, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. Yeah, it's 7 of them. Oh my goodness. And these are so pretty. I said, yes, I have got to. And I have some air dry clay in my stash right now, so I may go ahead and put some in here tonight and see what they're like in the morning. I'm not daring enough to take it out while the clay is still wet. But anyway, so those are the first 3 items. The next thing I got was this Passages paper pad from Blue Fern Studios, and I'm gonna open this just because it's so pretty. Guys, let me show you this paper. This is the top sheet. Homeward Bound is what this one is called. That's so pretty. Look at that. And there's the back. I've seen this one before. But that's so pretty. And that is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. And here's the other half of that one. Look at that. We put them together. That burst just comes together. Oh, I love that. Oh, that is so pretty, guys. And then here is the back of this one. Beautiful sky scene. And then here's this one with the hot air balloon. Small cluster down here. Oh, look, that just looks like wallpaper. Oh, look at this one. That's so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that map. That's so pretty. Look at these suitcases. These. Oh my goodness, that's pretty, guys. Oh, that's so pretty. And there's the back of that one. Here's this one. Look at that train, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. And then this one, this is a little car. Oh, that is so pretty. Beautiful. And there's the back. It looks like a ledger of some sort. And there's the collage page. Pretty. Oh, this one's really colorful. I like that one. And then here's the cut apart page. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Look, another sky scene. A little butterfly in the air. Oh, that is so pretty. So that one is Passages by Blue Fern Studio. The Muse. How pretty is that? Let me move this so I can push this. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. I've got so much of my junk. Okay. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. The Muse. So love that we can use actually all of this or this and this. So I just love that we can use all the paper, including the front. And it is a special limited edition. So guys, if you're thinking about getting it, you should get it because it is a limited edition. It says, I want to write things that people want to feel. That's so pretty. Oh, just love that. This one's really pretty, really vintagey looking. I love this one. Oh. Words, our most inexhaustible source of magic. That is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, just love that. There's the back of that one. Here's this one. So pretty. I love that pop of color. Beautiful. It looks like this page. It is this page without the flowers. This one is on the back without the flowers. Love that. Here's a cut apart page. That is so pretty. Write like it matters, and it will. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love those. Leather looking back. It's another vintagey. It's all vintagey, but this one looks more so. Oh, those are elephants. Can you see that? Those are pretty. And look at this page, guys. Oh, it's gorgeous. There's all the little keys, the typewriter keys. How pretty is this? Green background, and this is a cut aparts. So pretty. There are the backs. And this one is a cut apart sheet, an ephemera sheet, really, with a beautiful, beautiful back on there. But look at that. Oh, that's pretty. And then this is the last page. Beautiful. Just, oh, look at that. And again, it is the front without the flowers. It is the background, excuse me, the background without the flowers. That's pretty cool. I like that. That is so pretty. Okay. And the last paper pad I got is the Stamperia Lady Vagabond. Now, you know me, guys. Normally, this is not my style, but I just love these colors. Look at that. And this girl, she's so beautiful. So there's the front page. Oh, how's that? Beautiful, isn't it? Man, look at her. She is just gorgeous. Oh, she is beautiful. There's the next page. Look at those. This kind of matches the muse. It kind of matches the muse. I love that. There's the next page. Look at her. She is so pretty. Okay. Look at this. That's pretty. But look at this clock. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. How do you cut that up, right? And look at the back side. Has a whole bunch of little clocks. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. There's the back of that one. And look at this. How pretty is that? I wonder if stores really look like that in London. There's the back of that one, which is a, you know, a map. And look at these 6x6s. Probably not 6x6. They're probably a little bit smaller. Oh, that's so pretty. There's the back of those. And look at this page, guys. Oh my goodness. Reynolds's map of London. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Actually reminds me of San Francisco. And there is the back of that one. And look at this pretty, pretty book page. That's so pretty. And there's the back of that. Do some journaling or something. And here's another cut apart page. It's the back of that. Those are pretty. And then look at the back though. They're all book fronts. Pretty. And then this one's their beautiful cut apart page. Their ephemera page. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And then the back. So it is beautiful, guys. It is, there's something in there. It's gorgeous. Anyway. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all the links for you in the description box, along with a discount code for you to use at ASC Craft Supplies. And hopefully you'll go visit them and see what they have. You know, the Lady Vagabond, they have a, I think it's called Sir Vagabond or Mr. Vagabond, one of the two. but it's really pretty, and I'm thinking about getting it just because they match, you know, except one's male and one's female. So I'm really thinking about getting that one. So I may go ahead and get it. Anyway, guys, hopefully you will visit the ASC Craft Supply store on Etsy, or you can visit their online store, which I will also have a link to, and the discount code will work at either place. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, guys.